Hi, my name is Laura and I'm from Living Life with Laura, and today we're going to chat about the Milkbar breast pump. Now, when I was pregnant with Lily, I was told about the Milkbar breast pump, and I said to Hamish, I've heard really good things, like I need this breast pump. So old mate got me the breast pump, and when it arrived I saw all these bits and pieces and I was like, where do I start? So that's why I'm here today, to have a quick chat about all of these parts, how to put it together, and how freaking amazing this breast pump is. It literally, the milkshakes bring all the boys to the yard with this one. She's a goodie. So to begin with, you've got this, which is actually known as a flange. Everyone's got to have a flange in their life, but also known as a breast cushion. So that just slots in nicely in here. We give it a good push in and pull it around. So what's actually really good about this is that when it is in action, this massages the nipple, just like a baby would. In the videos that they show you about breastfeeding, you see the baby's tongue doing all that funky stuff. That's exactly what this pump does as well. When I was using my first ever one, all my nipple was doing was going in and out, in and out, in and out. My sister actually took a video of it, and we have a good laugh every now and again. But this one massages. We all like a good massage. Then this part here just clicks nicely in. Boom. This little pop in there. You got the lid. Then as you can see, we've got the holder, the bottle and the teat. We just pop that on. Oh no, we've missed a spot. You need this. This is the membrane, which needs to be intact and nice and flat to keep the suction going. Got to get a good suck on, and bottle goes on like that. We get this part. These all come in the little pieces, so they obviously go in the hole. Talking about lots of holes and sucking and all that good stuff, aren't we? So that goes into there, and then you're ready to rock and roll. So the pump has got a letdown function. When you think about it as the baby breastfeeds, they do little short suckles to get the milk flowing, and then once it's flowing, they obviously do the big gulps. That's exactly what this pump does. So you've got your on button, and if you can't see, we've got no other cords attached. So this is fully battery powered. You charge it up and you're ready to go. So you turn it on and it goes onto a letdown function. I don't know if you can hear that, but we've got short little suckles, and then you've got a plus and minus, so you can increase the suction power or decrease it. Now once you're letting down and the milk is flowing, the milkshake's coming out, you can hit the letdown function and it goes to the longer drawn out function. So you can increase it and decrease it. The charge lasts quite a long time, and you can also use it while plugged in. To clean it is really simple. Just unplug it and take away all the pieces like so. If you have different bottles, you can also use this part here, which is a lid, and then here you've got the smaller, that way, there we go, click, click, click. So that means that you can use a smaller, skinnier bottle, and you can put the lid on, you can do all sorts. So I have been using this pump since having Lily. The first time that I used it, I got 120 mils of milk, which for me was pretty freaking awesome. That was just off one tartar. But I absolutely love this brand. It has been an actual lifesaver for me, because I do like a few wines on a Friday night as well. But yeah, if you're a new mum, or you are pregnant, or you want to start a pumping journey, if you like going back to work or whatever, this is the pump for you, because I think I can't even, no words, it's just life. So Milkbar breast pump, literally a lifesaver, literally a good sucking machine, and yeah, I love it. Thanks for joining, and get your pump on.